14 DIY reclaimed wood and pallet fireplace surrounds. Over at Addison Meadows Lane, Stacy's husband and his best friend constructed the underlying base of this pallet fireplace surround out of 2x4s and oriented strand board (OSB) panels. Because they knew the OSB would show through the pallet boards, they first painted it black. Then they faced the entire structure, surround, mantel, and hearth, in pallet board, which was free. Even though most pallet fireplaces have boards running horizontally, consider placing them vertically to draw the eye upward and create the illusion of a higher ceiling. Layla Palmer knew she wanted the look of reclaimed wood for her fireplace, but not too much. With the help of stickwood stick on boards, made of real reclaimed wood veneer, she added rustic wood accents to the firebox perimeter. The designer at the blog I Think We Could Be Friends had a problem. Her basic builder house was devoid of personality. One solution was to face the fireplace in pallet wood. She had a stipulation, though. She wanted a reclaimed wood look, not a free pallet wood look, as she puts it. Mary Beth, from the design blog The How to Home, took a novel approach to the concept of roadside pallet hunting. She skipped it entirely. Instead, she used a product called Pallet in a Box, which had 25 square feet of clean, dry, red oak pallet boards for this project. The best thing, disassembly of pallets was not required. Pallet surround wood is most often left raw and unfinished, but that doesn't always have to be the case. This one has been painted white for a country cottage effect. Chicago-based Moss Architecture and Design wanted this residential loft to honor its industrial roots, so they used as much on-site salvage material as possible: doors, windows, light fixtures, and lumber. This reclaimed wood fireplace surround perfectly complements the exposed brick and heavy beams of this reimagined space. Not ready to cover your entire fireplace? Follow this crafter's lead and begin your pallet work on a small scale. When Cindy over at Cottage Instincts saw that it would be cost-prohibitive to continue the lower stonework to the ceiling, she instead used 11 pallet boards, painted them with Glidden antique white, and distressed them with a palm sander. Bare pallet boards provide crisp visual balance for this fireplace with a lower section of manufactured veneer stone. Decorator Katie Jane wrapped the boards along the sides for a neat, tailored look. Fuchsia design owner Autumn Fuchs was determined to give her fireplace the reclaimed wood look, but she didn't like the high prices she was facing. Instead, she purchased new tongue and groove wood from Home Depot, distressed it to make it look old, stained it, then attached it to the fireplace. The project cost less than $100. Behold the beauty of extremely antique wood boards used for this fireplace surround. This New Jersey-based company builds reclaimed wood masterpieces in its mill. Amber at the design blog Avery Lane wanted to use reclaimed wood, but she had a slight problem because the back wall had windows. The fireplace did not extend to the ceiling. To accommodate this, she built a box around the fireplace and topped it with a mantle of reclaimed wood. This designer's client specified that the reclaimed wood surround should have an equal number of grays and browns throughout the mix. The faux reclaimed wood mantle was custom fabricated for that client. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.